Suriname hosting Haiti here in Group D. Happy to have you along for the action from Paramaribo, Suriname, from Dr. Franklin S. Stadium. And we meet the rest of the Haitian starting 11. Nyla Louison in goal. Next month, they wrap things up. Now we meet the starting lineup for Suriname. It's a group that, again, coming off a 2-2 draw back in December 2022, which has been the FIFA Women. And away we go here in Group D. A team that has players playing at high levels in Europe, has progressed tremendously. Line drive to the penalty spot. Set play here for Haiti. Good look from the penalty spot. It's blocked. And out of play. Good initially. Back the other way for Suriname. Flag stayed down. Comes all the way through on the backside for Hoekstra, pulling it wide. Oh, Isabel Hoekstra, an opportunity to give Suriname the lead. Renee. Infield, generating space, going for goal. Planted at the spot with Selena Babb, but she watched it fortunately for Suriname sail wide. Rachel Van Netten. Van Netten delivering the header. Not much on it from Kronenberg. And out of play. This qualifying phase, make it through. Free kick floated in. Selena Babb has it. Pushed ahead by Hoekstra. Slip through, flag stays down. Van Netten latches on. Cuts it back. Van Netten goes for goal, and it's saved by Nyla Louison. Out for a corner. That far side, Chante Marie Dompig with the opportunity. From the corner, drops it in, good weight on that ball. The header glanced on. Goal kick. Perhaps a bit surprising still that this is scoreless. Samajo. Punched away by Louison. And behind, Duvernay letting it go through. Stopped by Babb. Chance to line this one up. It's pulled wide. Dompig played back toward goal. It's got awry. It's just a corner. Could have been a lot worse. And the whistle goes to end half number one. Scoreless still between Suriname and Haiti in Group D action of the 2025-2026 CONCACAF W. It's the Ibrahim coming off. And away we go in half number two. Played through, flag stays down. Chance for Suriname. Was it saved by Louison? Taken through the heart on the midfield by Dumouriez, going for goal, and saved by Babb. Let's see. Try from a long way out. Wide for Louison. Ahead to Joseph, play to the back post, reaching for it, but putting it wide. Oh, not a lot of weight on that ball back. It deflects on the clearance effort toward goal, bouncing, still in play, and put home. A calamity for Suriname, a gift for Haiti. Rosalie to the back. Slip through. Shot from Dick. Switch to the far side, settled in the area. Goal for Suriname, trying to get that goal. Split through, flag stays down, a chance to put this one away for Haiti. Free run to goal, flag stayed down. And Louison feeds it back post. Oh, it's over the bar. It's one that. Free run at goal to maybe finally put this away. Dumouriez taken against Selena Babb. Dumouriez hesitates and scores. Haiti will end the day in the top spot in Group D. Pig floating it high, the header, oh, just wide. And there it is. Haiti wins it 2-0 over Suriname. And at the end of the day, it puts Haiti atop Group D in the 2025-2026 CONCACAF W qualifiers.